So last class we did frequency and density, no? Then let's look at the next one, that is your cover and basal area. So what is a cover and what is a base? Okay, a cover will be, okay, so the cover and basal area is the above ground parts. Above ground, you can be the leaves, the stem, the root, the leaf, the stem, the branch, the shoots, the gynosium, androecium, the inflorescence, the flowers, the leaves, the thorns, all those that are above ground, they will cover some area, right? So suppose we all stand in one small room, we will cover some area and we will fill the room, right? So I have a surface area, right? My hand has a certain area, my arms, my legs, even yours. So even plants, no? They're above ground parts like the leaves, the stems, the flowers, they cover a certain area. Okay? And if we trace out or if we demarcate, let me underline, if we demarcate by vertical projections, the area of the ground covered by the plant canopy is called as the foliage cover. Okay, when we say plant canopy, it means like a tree canopy. When we talk about the tree canopy, means how much those branches and leaves, how much area they are covering to give us the shade. Okay, like if you stand under the shade of a tree, and it rains, okay, it's raining and you stand under a tree, whatever tree is there in your place, so like a pine tree or whatever tree, a fir, a spruce, whatever tree you stand on, you will not get wet, right? Because that tree has a canopy. A canopy is those, the branches, the leaves, they cover certain area, right? Okay, if this is the tree and these are the leaves, so this entire thing is your canopy. Okay, and this canopy, it covers a certain distance, right? From here to here, it provides shade, no? So untidy, like this drawing. Okay. So from this distance to this, there is a canopy coverage. There is a certain area. So that area is known as your foliage cover or herbage cover. Okay. Or another word is your canopy cover. Okay. So from here to here, okay, this area is your canopy cover. And they are all above ground. Okay. Above ground means the ones like the leaves. So let's say if it's a flower, like this, flower, leaves, the canopy is this much. Alright. Let me stop and send it.